Hi everyone, welcome to the Spring Framework Bootcamp. Okay, so in the last video we have seen complete dependency injection in Spring Boot. Okay, we have seen the great real world example, we have coded it and we have injected the processor dependency, that is i3, i5 and i7. Fine. Now we have done this job using constructor injection. As I told you that dependency injection is done using two ways, constructor injection and setter injection. In this video let's see the setter injection. So let me move directly to the code only, okay, because nothing is remaining. So this is what we have done. Let me run it again. So if I run it, then so it is asking me choose the brand you want to buy, Dell, MacBook or Microsoft. I want to buy Dell. Okay, then choose the processor you want to buy. Okay, I'll choose i3 or i5, that is 2, and then you have selected Dell, yes, with i5 processor. Okay, so we have done using this constructor injection. As I already shown you everything in the last video, it's full flash video of 40 minutes. Okay, so here you can see constructor injection. Fine. Yeah, now you can see I have injected using constructor. Okay, now in this video let's implement the same using setter injection. So there's only 2 to 3 changes. Instead of constructor, let's create a setter. Okay, fine. So source, generate getter and setters. Okay, fine. I don't need getter, I only need setter. Okay, I put there. Fine. And then let's inform Spring that we have injected setter here, but we need to inform Spring where in application context file that okay, we are injecting the dependency using setter injection. So instead of constructor arg and constructor arg, you need to write property, and it is taking two attribute. One is name. Now what is the name? Name means the attribute name, this name, the attribute name, the name which you have kept in a class. Okay, in a class, this is the variable name. Okay, the variable name. So this is, and reference variable, reference class. So I want to inject i3. Okay, same thing, I want to inject i5. Okay, and then I want to inject i7 processor. Done. Okay, now let me go there and run application. Choose the brand you wanna buy, Dell. Okay, choose the processor you wanna buy, i7 3. Got the output. You have selected Dell with i7 processor. Let me show you using debugging that here the debug pointer is present. Okay, now let me debug it. Debug. So yeah, you can see over on the processor it is giving me first i3 processor. So what is the flow is, first it is going in the application context file and it is scanning this bean. Now here Spring scanned that okay, we have injected some dependency i3, i5 and i7 class dependency in the Dell class. Then it is coming into the Dell and taking the object of i3, i5 and i5, i3, i5 and i7. If you are someone who directly jump into this video, then please don't proceed. In the last video I explained completely, it's 40-minute video, like what we need to implement, code flow, types and step by step the that implementation of the code. Okay, fine. So you can see processor, it is giving me i3. Okay, the first i3. Then when I go next, now hover, it is coming with the i5 object. Then it is coming with the i7, and then started. Choose the brand you wanna buy, Dell. Okay, choose the processor. Now Dell have initialized in the Dell processor is initialized with all the three i3, i5, i7. Now whatever I'll select 2. You can see you have selected Dell laptop. Okay, you have selected Dell laptop with the processor detail class, that is in the i3, i5 with i5 processor. So that is what it is showing me with i5 processor. That means yeah, I got both the object Dell and processor, respective processor, so that I can handle this thing to the user. See, it is completely real world. When user come, okay, user selected the brand and then user selected the processor. Later you can add some more, like you can add like, okay, choose the processor you wanna buy, then choose the hard disk, choose the how much RAM you required. So many things, completely real world. Okay, so this is what about setter injection. Fine. Now we have completed the dependency injection. Okay, assignments are already posted. Phase 1 assignments. Here are the assignments, 4 assignments. Okay, you need to complete it, and please complete it and send me on my Slack community. Okay, please join the Slack community so that you can send the assignment and I can verify the assignments. Okay, fine. This is my community. You can just go through this using the link given in the description. Okay, so please submit the assignments. Fine. So now let's start. In the next video, let's start our third module, bean scope and life cycle. Okay, and then spring and annotations. Fine. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then please comment down and yeah, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.